How do you provide a service at the root level in Angular? This fundamental question tests your grasp of dependency injection and whether you know the modern best practices. The modern and recommended way is to use providedIn root in your injectable decorator. Simply add this property to your service class, and Angular automatically registers it at the application root level. No additional configuration needed. This is the approach you should use in all new Angular applications. The traditional way involves adding your service to the providers array in app module or any root module. While this still works, it's considered legacy. You'll see it in older codebases, but it lacks the optimization benefits of the modern approach. Either way you provide a service at root level, it becomes a singleton across your entire application. This means Angular creates exactly one instance that's shared by every component and service that injects it. No matter how many components request it, they all get the same instance. Here's where providedIn root really shines. Tree shaking. If you never actually inject the service anywhere in your app, Angular's compiler can remove it entirely from the production bundle. The module provider's approach can't do this, because the service is explicitly referenced in the module, even if unused. So why is providedIn root preferred? It's cleaner, requires less boilerplate, enables automatic tree shaking, and makes services self-contained. The service declares its own scope rather than relying on external module configuration. To provide a service at the root level, use providedIn root in your injectable decorator for a singleton service with automatic optimization. Practice this on Interview Mentor to master your Angular skills. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.